Historically, people have thought of Query Manager as just an operational type reporting tool. It in fact is much more than that now. Hey, I'm Lane Small. I'm Product Manager of Query Manager with EPI-USE Labs. So the exciting thing about Query Manager is that it solves multiple problems for you. It can solve your operational reporting, document distribution reporting, and we're excited to say that it also can solve your analytics problems now. We expose your data and let you consume that in your analytics platform of choice. You don't have to know the underlying architecture of these complex systems in order to get your data output. Payroll reporting is still a big need. So what we've done in Query Manager is we've adopted Excel-like functionality right within your reports. Query Manager enables you to run cross-country reporting and pull all the results from the different countries and different periods into one singular report. You can report now from Employee Central data, you can report from your payroll data, you can also add in your time data from workforce software. So you have a lot of different data flows going on between all three systems. Query Manager enables you to report on all of that, find any exceptions, and then also do consolidated reporting across all three different platforms. We can come in, help see what you're currently struggling with and look at your business processes, and then we can adapt those into Query Manager for you.